It could be a major breakthrough for millions of Americans. Some migraine sufferers can prevent their headaches, according to new guidelines just out today. New at 10, 7 News reporter Jaclyn Allen digging into what works and what doesn't to stop migraine pain before it starts.
Mike, these updated guidelines from the American Academy of Neurology show that about 40% of migraine sufferers could prevent their pain with daily preventative treatments, including prescription drugs, herbal remedies, and even over-the-counter medicines.
It starts with a little headache right there.
If you've ever had a migraine,
usually might end with me laying in the middle of the floor in a dark room.
I lose my hearing in my right ear.
you may know the feeling.
I've had it since I was a teenager.
I mean, I'm out once every week about.
But new guidelines for preventing migraine show that frequent sufferers could have fewer, less severe headaches if they took preventive medicines, including these anti-seizure drugs and blood pressure medications. But few people do.
Why aren't people who suffer from migraines taking these preventive medications?
I think in many cases they just don't know they're there.
Inglewood neurologist Dr. Mark Wasserman says the prevention treatments have less harmful side effects than migraine drugs. And for the first time, the guidelines even recommend an herbal alternative called butterbur.
Preventives of some kind, even if it takes a couple tries, will work in the majority of migraine patients.
Still, some migraine sufferers say they're reluctant to take daily drugs to prevent migraine pain.
Personally, I would not take prescription medication regularly. I don't like what it does to me. It makes me feel worse than the migraine does, so I would avoid that.
Now, these updated guidelines are for people with very severe migraines or for people who suffer from several every month. Now, one antidepressants and some over-the-counter painkillers such as ibuprofen were listed as probably effective. One anti-seizure drug was shown not to work. For the complete list, you can go to thedenverchannel.com.